glad it's just 12 because they don't want to. Yeah, that came with that water is real smooth. It goes right in front of that water is real smooth. Coming up now. Kind of a middle edge.
I still right in that little pond.
That's called the footprint, too.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you come up. So you always look in front of those spots because all that indicates that's where he was.
Okay.
So if you look and see how far apart each one is, that's where you can guesstimate about where he's going to come up. So he'll be coming up right about over there.
Oh, I started to count and then I lost it.
That's like 6.
Oh. Could be. Maybe. You keep count. You see him? See him coming up over here? You right?
There you go, Tom. You have
You
right
just
on.
barely see it. It starts turning blue or light blue, and that's where they get their name, blue whales, because they always see that blue before they see the blue right there.
You can follow his shadow.
Yeah, yeah. See it? You can see it right there. That blue.
There he is, right there.
Come up again. Not that. And you watch for that arch or the tail. You see the blue too?
Yeah. Nice. Come on, get his tail.
He's arching his back.
That's it.
Let's see if that was a real arch or not.
Yeah. Shadow's gone.
Knock on wood, it's not dying.